Now, Congress MP KC Venugopal has hit back at Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over his remarks on the NEET issue. Responding to Pradhan's post, Venugopal said that the Education Minister has no moral responsibility to continue in office. He questioned who would now believe the minister's assurances and demanded his resignation, claiming that people across the country want accountability to safeguard the interests of the students. Let's in fact listen into that statement.
He didn't have any moral responsibility to continue as an education minister. We will listen his words now. Where is the moral responsibility with Dharmendra Pradhan? 1.8 billion people are demanding his resignation.
All right, my colleague Anand Singh is live with us on this broadcast. Let me go across to him. Anand, we are obviously seeing this statement from KC Venugopal and he's obviously stating that and reacting to the post that has been put out by Dharmendra Pradhan. Take us through the details of this statement, because he's seeking his resignation, saying that the country now demands it. The country demands accountability.
Yeah, Shivani, look, the way in which Dharmendra Pradhan has hit back at leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, especially for holding a sit-in protest outside Prime Minister's residence, saying that he was politicizing the issue and he was just trying to misguide the students on the issue of NEET UG, despite the fact that the government has listened to the grievances of the students and it has taken measures. But the way in which this distasteful tweet that has been dubbed by Congress, as it has said that the way in which Dharmendra Pradhan has responded to opposition protest outside Prime Minister's residence, it is very shocking. And instead of taking accountability, Dharmendra Pradhan has been putting onus on leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and very categorically KC Venugopal hit back at Dharmendra Pradhan, saying that he has no moral responsibility to be on the post of education minister. And now, not only the Congress party or the opposition parties are demanding for his resignation, but it's 1.3 billion people of the country who are demanding resignation from Dharmendra Pradhan. The way in which several of the paper leaks have happened, the people are asking for accountability, the way in which the future of lakhs of students have been put at risk, and it is the reason why they have been seeking for accountability from Dharmendra Pradhan, but the government was not ready to listen to them and they are still in arrogant mode. This is what is the charge that has been put by the Congress and several other opposition parties on the government, especially over their demand of seeking resignation with Dharmendra Pradhan, as the government has not yet made it clear whether it will be taking resignation from Dharmendra Pradhan, as Congress party on multiple occasions have said if any of the scams or any of the allegations were put against any of the Congress ministers during UPA time, then resignations used to happen. But this is not anymore the case in the NDA government that has been led by BJP's Narendra Modi, who is the Prime Minister. So a big charge coming from the opposition side that how this government is not ready to accept accountability, it's not ready to listen to the grievances, and this is what leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, also mentioned in his video statement when he took a jibe at the government, saying that how the police excesses were carried out on the students who were protesting, seeking accountability from the government, and how the education system has collapsed completely in India, and how the families they have to take the burden of huge finances to educate their children, and it was reason why the students are demanding resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan as well as Union Home Minister Amit Shah. This is the charge that Rahul Gandhi had put, and the same is put forth by several Congress leaders in the party who have been protesting along with several of the opposition leaders outside Makar Dwar in Parliament, wearing black clothes as a mark of protest protest over the police excesses to students, as well as the way in which several of the Congress MPs were manhandled while being detained, even as the photograph of Rahul Gandhi had went viral, in which blood has been seen oozing out from his nose. So all these pictures are being used by the opposition to target the government, to corner them. And even we saw just now that how the Lok Sabha proceedings was adjourned again today when it had met in the morning. We have seen multiple adjournments yesterday. We have seen multiple adjournments on Monday too. So looking at the way in which the opposition has taken up this demand, they are going to put the government under pressure with the demand of resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan as Education Minister. Back to you, Shivani.
Right, Anand, I'll request you to stay on with us. We have some more reactions coming in.